Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday, Thirsty Thursday. As you can see, I'm in my office. I was not feeling really well yesterday after I got all my messages done and everything. I did not cook dinner. Robin was a hero and a savior and brought home tacos from our favorite taqueria, La Única. Yes, yummy. I got overheated a few days ago. Once I get sick like this, it takes me a few days to kind of get back into things. I'm hoping to cook tonight what I was supposed to cook yesterday. Robin does have an important meeting this evening. We'll see. This might be a fend for yourself night. I don't know. One of the things that Robin and I did secure and take care of last night is next week's menu. Next week, in no order, is split pea soup with ham, BTAs, in other words, bacon, tomato, and avocado sandwiches. And I'll be making my macaroni salad to go with that and to snack on for the rest of the week. We're going to be doing breakfast for dinner, French toast, scrambled eggs, bacon, sausage. Yeah. Then on the menu is also a veggie stir fry over white rice. I will be going to the farmer's market here in Yuba City on Saturday morning. I'm hoping to get most, if not all, of the items for that veggie curry at the farmer's market. The reason why we're doing the BTAs is because we can still get very good tomatoes from the farmer's market. And also, the macaroni salad has tomatoes in it as well. So you can see why there's the whole farmer's market going on here. Then, one of the other meals I'm going to be preparing is oven roasted chicken al pastor. This is a yummy, it's Mexican, Latin, yummy. And then a shrimp and broccoli stir fry in garlic sauce. There's a lot of garlic this coming week, except for the BTAs, of course. So, again, that was in no order. I look forward to the menu. I am working on my next cookbook. Did a bunch of sorting yesterday here in the office. And I think I have a pretty good complement of soup recipes. I will be creating some more. So expect at least a soup recipe coming out of my kitchen at least once per week for the next several weeks. So on this Thirsty Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.